Is your tanning salon ready for the new season? Because lighting changes everything, at Best Sunbeds, we specialize in lamp replacement and supply for professional tanning salons that demand the highest performance and client experience. Before the season starts, make sure every sunbed is working at its absolute best. Fresh lamps don't just improve results. They upgrade the entire customer experience from the first session. We don't just supply lamps. We help your business perform at a premium level. Because in the tanning industry, light is everything. Book your lamp replacement with Best Sunbeds before the season and keep your salon ahead of the competition.